Hi, I'm Mark from the Home Depot Rental Center. If you need a reliable air source where electricity isn't available, the Mighty M 8-gallon air compressor is a great solution. This device is gas-powered and equipped with a 12-inch flywheel for extra cooling and longer life. Before operating the compressor, there are some safety precautions you must follow. As with all power equipment, always wear safety glasses and closed-toe shoes. Do not come in contact with the engine. Always operate the compressor outdoors in a well-ventilated area that is free of flammable vapors. Make sure to keep it on a flat surface and be sure that all guards and covers are in place and securely mounted. Begin by connecting the air hose to the regulator valve. Then connect the tool to the hose. To start the compressor, flip the red Easy Start lever on the pilot valve to the open position. Next, turn the engine switch on, move the fuel valve to the open position and the choke to the closed position. Then pull the recoil. Now move the choke to the run position and the red Easy Start lever down to the original position. Set the pressure by adjusting the regulator knob to the tool's recommended PSI. Turn counterclockwise to reduce pressure and clockwise to increase. Never exceed the pressure recommended by the tool manufacturer. When you're finished and ready to shut down the compressor, move the engine switch to the off position and close the fuel valve. Drain the air from the tanks by pulling on the safety relief valve. Once the air pressure gauge registers under 10 psi, open the drain valve under each tank to release any remaining moisture. Never attempt to open the air tank drain valve when there's more than 10 psi of air pressure in the tank. Allow the air compressor to cool down for approximately 15 minutes before cleaning. Then simply wipe it down and store in a safe, non-freezing area. When you're ready to transport the unit, make sure it's properly secured in your vehicle. Visit your local Home Depot or homedepot.com/rentals to learn more about the best tools for your next project.